just getting a new basket strainer. Now in this video, we're going to do one side with Plumber's Putty, and I'll do one side with Silicone. Now this is Putty brand Plumber's Putty. On stainless steel sinks, this is perfectly fine to use. However, if you're doing a Blanco sink or a Sil granite sink, you're going to want to make sure that you use a stain resistant or stain proof, whatever they call it, Plumber's Putty. The oils can wreck the Sil granite. So what I do first is I just make a little worm out of it, because what you're going to want to do is push all that air. You don't want an air pocket in there, and then you just kind of make your own gasket out of it. You can see this is sped up a bit, but essentially you want to make your own gasket and just work it around the edge of the basket strainer like this. Now a quick tip: when you set the basket strainer down, it should sit up slightly. If your basket strainer sits straight down to the stainless steel sink, then it's not high enough. You don't have enough on it. And always check the underside to ensure that you do have a seal before even tightening it. So what I'll do is I'll get this on and I'll just give it a quick snug so I can change camera angles so that you can see how Plumber's Putty should come out, because you do want it to come out 180 degrees, I guess I'll say. Either way, all around the basket strainer. So you can see I'm tightening it from underneath right now. And watch as it squishes all the way around. It'd be 360 degrees. I don't know why I said 180. And then it's just as simple as pulling the excess off. Now I went a little thin on that. I do like to use a little bit more Plumber's Putty, but I do know that it wrapped all the way around. So I will be fine.